Creating a Klaviyo flow is an effective way to automate your email marketing and engage customers at different stages of their journey. Here's how to set up a flow. Log into Klaviyo. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account and navigate to the Flows tab in the sidebar. Create a new flow. Click Create New Flow to begin. You'll be prompted to choose a flow type. Klaviyo offers pre-built flow templates like Welcome Series or Abandoned Cart that you can customize, or you can start from scratch. Choose a trigger. The first step in creating your flow is to define the trigger. A trigger is an event that will start the flow, such as someone joining your email list or making a purchase. You can select from a variety of triggers like signups, page visits, or a specific action taken on your site. Design your flow. Once the trigger is set, add the actions you want to occur within the flow, such as sending emails, SMS messages, or adding a delay between actions. You can use the drag and drop editor to customize the design and content of your messages. Set flow filters. Optionally, apply filters to control when the flow will be sent. Activate the flow. Once you're happy with the flow, click Review and Turn On to activate it and start automating your email marketing.